Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 7 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a loading animation. You can use this type of animation on the splash screen or any other screen where you need to put the user to wait for a process. To create this, I am taking a circle. Then draw a vector shape with the help of a pen tool. I am using the circle as a mask to make this vector shape move inside the circle to show the loading effect. Duplicate this vector shape and change color. Our first step is ready. Now duplicate the whole mask group and move both vector shapes inside the circle upward and in the left or right position as well to show the moving effect. Duplicate the group again and repeat the process until the vector shape moves fully upward. Now select all the variations and make them a component set. Then go to prototype mode and connect all variants. Select after delay trigger and smart animate with 600 milliseconds. You can adjust animation timing according to your requirements. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.